Hi folks! So today in math you will need your homework sheets for lesson 15. You'll need your new set of flashcards, the greenish ones, yellow, green, and green, and a deck of playing cards, which will be in your math game bag. Yay! So, start out with our homework sheets. So remember, we are using mental math strategies and the standard algorithm to solve these. So what I would like you to do is, on your math sheets, I want you to circle A and B and D and E. I want you to do those four. And then I want you to do number 2. Let's walk through just a couple of these, okay? So, mental math strategies. If I have 75 centimeters plus 7 centimeters, is there a simplifying strategy I could use to solve this? Yeah, I see one right away. I could take 7 and I could decompose it into a 5 and a 2. Add the 5 to my 75, which gives me 80. And then add the 2. So I'm going to go 75 plus 5 plus 2 equals 80 plus 2 equals 82. Oops. Oh, almost went 88. 82 centimeters. Now, you probably don't think you don't have to write all this out. You don't think all this like real deliberately like that. You're probably to a point where you're doing it pretty quick in your mind. Decomposing numbers and simplifying, using simplifying strategies by making this into an easy number to add to. Now, sometimes you're going to get a problem that doesn't have a real easy simplifying strategy. Let's see if this one does. 39 plus 56. Oh, I think that one has a pretty good one. Pretty good simplifying strategy that you can do mental math with. Let's try this one. This isn't one that you're going to do, but I think this one, I'm going to use the standard algorithm. So this is just to remind you how we use the algorithm. So 362 milliliters plus 229 milliliters. I'm going to zoom this up just so you can see it a little better. And when I use the algorithm, I'm going to start with my ones. So I'm going to go 2 plus 9 is 11. Remember, I put the tens over in the tens column. So I have 11, so I'm going to write it like that. Now I'm going to go 6 plus 2 plus 1. Well, that equals 9. And then I'm going to go 3 plus 2. 591 milliliters. So do a combination of mental math and algorithm when it's not real efficient to try mental math on a problem. Use the algorithm and practice it. Now, this problem. The liquid volume of 5 drinks is shown below. So liquid volume is shown in milliliters here for apple juice, milk, water, orange juice, and fruit punch. So Jen drinks the apple juice and the water. How many milliliters does she drink in all? So you're going to go on here and you're going to go, okay, apple juice and the water. And you're going to add those together, right? So you're going to write that out. You might, once you write the numbers out, you might decide, oh, I've got a simplifying strategy I can use. Or you might decide to use the algorithm. Then Kevin drinks the milk and the fruit punch. How many milliliters does he drink in all? So he drinks milk and fruit punch. How much does he drink in all? All right, so that's how you use the table there. Now, once you finish your problems, so you won't have any on the second page, but you are welcome to try those, because anytime you get more practice, the better you'll get, right? So, your activities for today. You are going to go through and get at least one of the colors done. And what do I mean by that? I mean, you could do your 4s or your 5s or your 6s. You could do all 3. You're going to need to do all 3 in the next 2 days. So get as much done as you can. And you're going to write the answers on the back in pencil. So 4 times 12 is 48. 4 times 11 is 44. I love the 11s. 4 times 10 is 40. So you're going to go through and you're going to write all of the answers in on the backs of the cards so that you can start really practicing with these guys. Because remember, third graders, when they leave third grade, know their multiplication facts. And again, you can also take the 10s, 12s, and 11s out and just do the 1 through 9s. That's fine. But you can leave them in if you want to challenge yourself. All right, then I want you to do a couple rounds of this game with cards. Take your cards out, go through your deck and get rid of all of the face cards, the jokers, and the 10s. So basically just your ace through 9 cards. So, and these cards should actually be in order, so it should be pretty easy to separate them out, because they are never been used. Well, maybe not. Maybe you got a deck that was used. I don't know. Okay. Well, I mean, I guess they were used in a casino at one point, but they haven't been used in the classroom. Okay, once you've got all your cards, ace through 9, you're going to shuffle. Do a little shuffling here. One more time. Just kind of go like that. All right. Now, you're going to take 2 or 3 digit numbers. So I've got 2, a 4, and a 3. And 7, 8, and a 2. So I'm going to make the number 243 plus 782. Do I have a good simplifying strategy I could use for that number? Not really. I think this is a good number for doing a standard algorithm. So I'm going to go 243 plus 782. 3 plus 2, my 1s, that's a 5. 4 10s and 8 10s is 12 10s. So I'm going to go like that, because 10 10s is 100, so I'm going to rename it. And then I'm going to go 2 plus 7 plus 1 is 10 100s, which is 1,200, or 1,025. All right, now you can also do it this way. You can do a 3-digit number plus a 2-digit number, or you can do 2-digit numbers. So you can just put out 2 cards and 2 cards. All right, that is the plan, Stan, for today. Do some of these, and then do a couple hands of this, like maybe 4 problems, and just put it on your homework somewhere. You can write the ones that you did on your homework somewhere if you don't have a scrap piece of paper. Otherwise, just put it on a scrap piece of paper. And then remember, leave me a video, tell me what you did, and good luck. I'll see you soon.